Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate guide to finding the best products on the market. Today, we're diving deep into the world of gardening with a focus on the beloved Syngonium plant. And what's the secret behind a thriving Syngonium? It all starts with the right potting mix. Introducing the Back to the Roots 100% Organic Potting Mix, a premium blend crafted with care to provide your Syngonium with a perfect environment to flourish. Let's uncover why this is the best potting mix for Syngonium available. First off, this potting mix is all about natural and organic goodness. With nutrient-rich ingredients like coconut coir, mycorrhizae, and yucca extract, your Syngonium will receive the essential nourishment it needs to thrive. But it doesn't stop there. Back to the Roots is on a mission to promote sustainable gardening practices. By offering a 100% peat-free soil, they're not only supporting your plant's health but also taking a stand for the planet. What sets this potting mix apart is its pH-balancing dolomitic limestone. Say goodbye to acidity issues and nutrient deficiencies. Plus, it's made right here in the USA, ensuring quality and reliability every time. Don't just take our word for it. Customers rave about the results they've seen with this potting mix. From improved plant growth to long-lasting vitality, the reviews speak for themselves. Ready to take your Syngonium to the next level? Head over to the link in the description to get your hands on the Back to the Roots 100% Organic Potting Mix today. Your Syngonium will thank you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert reviews on the products you love. Happy gardening!